Good day everyone. So let me introduce myself first. My name is Eric Villabrosa and I am currently taking BSBA, major in Management Information System. So the purpose of this vlog or this video is to give my subjective observation or opinion regarding to one of the film documentary named Our Planet, Our Business. Predominantly, this documentary embarked to raise awareness of the importance of wildlife and nature in creating a stable and benign planet for people. We all know that technological advancement or technological globalization plays a part in domestic productivity level in advanced emerging economies, which technology help us to produce goods more efficiently and less manpower. As a result, it makes goods cheaper and allow businesses to scale faster. However, we need to take into account the impact of technological advancement on the environment and society. We need to engage in sustaining stability to keep or to maintain our natural resources and avoid jeopardizing the ability for the future generations to meet their needs. Some example of technological advancement that contribute a large scale on the environment are electric, smartphone, social media, GPRS, automobile, dry cell battery, and so on and so forth. These technology have been damaged our environment into two main ways or into two main reasons. First is pollution, second is depletion of natural resources. Excessive quantities of gases such as carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitric oxide, and methane are introduced into the Earth's atmosphere, which increase the amount of green gases that traps thermal energy in the Earth's atmosphere, which causes a global temperature to rise. So what are the sustainable solution to this dilemma, to this problem? So basically, in my own perspective, for example, smartphone that cause carbon footprints. Well, I think manufacturer may extend life of a smartphone or recycle some of the component materials of an old device, which provides a clear-cut benefits. Reusing materials implies a reduction in carbon-intensive mining. For example, tin can be reused for circuit board, cobalt for batteries, and aluminum for enclosure. Well, there are some technological advancement that has no huge impact or that has no effect or that is sustainable on the environment, such as LED light bulbs. The fact that the LED lasts longer means fewer bulbs need to be produced, and conversely, they don't need to change or to be replaced as often. While other technologies such as solar power and electric public transport or electric vehicle are some of those technological advancement that has no impact on the environment. Well, I think all renewable energy are recyclable, eco-friendly, is sustainable solution to the problem. Well, as an individual, what is the best that we can do? What we can do? What are the best practices that we can do to help to conserve and protect our natural resources and environment? For example, follow the 3R: reduce, reuse, recycle. Let's cut down on what we throw away to conserve natural resources and landfill spaces. Other things are voluntary cleaning in the community. Well, I think that's simple, but it helps a lot. Well, I think we just need to further our, education to understand well the importance and the value of natural resources. Well, also using long-lasting bulb like LED. Well, it reduces the greenhouse effect or greenhouse emission. And also I think just it's simple, switch off the light if it's not really necessary. If nobody is in the room or nobody using the light, just switch it off or flip off the light. Well, the next one is plant a tree or planting a tree. We all know that tree provides foods and oxygen, as well as it captures or store 90% of carbon dioxide. So basically, before it reach into the earth atmosphere, tree absorb the carbon dioxide it is stored on the ground, so until it dissolve. So it's extremely important in helping to help stop climate change. Well, lastly, this one is my favorite. It's catchy. I mean, bike more, drive less. I mean, it's less energy, less pollution. For example, if you are going in a places like supermarket or palengke, if it's near and if you can able to walk instead of using any transportation vehicle like car, tricycle, if you can able to walk, well, I think it's a part of conserving and it will really help to not just only on the environment as well as it also beneficial on our health. And also non-renewable resource energy is not just alerting on the earth atmosphere, it also emits variety of pollution that affects people's health. So it's dual purpose, conserving and you know it helps our body, our health. Well, this is a call for everybody. We need to be a warrior in keeping our planet. As long as you are subconsciously aware, no matter how old you are, it's your responsibility. It's our responsibility. It's my responsibility as a citizen. We need to be a warrior. Being a warrior is saving the environment. Being a warrior is saving the country, or even more, saving the world and the next generation. As a wise man said, never doubt the small group of thoughtful and committed citizens. We can change the world. We can reverse the climate change. Yes, indeed, that is the only thing that ever has.